well-paced. It's easy to slow down or speed up as needed, and I got tons of practice and review. I'm a lot more confident with fingerspelling now, and will try to get faster. Thanks. Gina left this review for our course, the ABCs plus Fingerspelling. This is a huge course, over 11 hours, almost 12 hours. Okay, so first off, you're going to learn the ABCs. No, I mean really learn the ABCs. We're talking about getting you to the point where you can sign any letter, whatever it is, in any order, whenever it needs it. Just pop it out, you can get that letter, right? Lots of practice, lots of testing. That's the first part. Then we get into the main purpose of the course, fingerspelling. Fingerspelling like crazy, okay? We're gonna do common letter combinations, acronyms, single words, multiple words, short words, long words, celebrity names, brands, movie names, just to get you fingerspelling like crazy and just build up that finger fluency. We're also gonna do something very important. Very like getting out there and actually doing it, because real signing in real life is a mix between fingerspelling and signing. So we have lots of exercises where there's complete sentences. We'll teach you the signs where you can mix signing and fingerspelling, and we're going to test you on it as well. Okay, tons of content in this course. Just blast your fingerspelling skills through the roof. Yes, and have fun while you do it. This is one of over 35 courses included in our ASL bundle. We design our content to include beginners. We focus on beginning and improving signers. So if you have some skills, great. If you have absolutely no skills whatsoever, you're like, sign language? I don't know anything, but I want to learn. We got you covered. We teach you step by step from scratch, bite-sized, easy to digest lessons. Learn some stuff in detail. Get tested on it, signing, understanding, and just go nuts. Okay, go to ablelingo.com. Check out our stuff, preview it. Make sure that our teaching style fits with your learning style. And a tip here, whether you choose our stuff or you choose another online platform or whatever course you decide to purchase, very important tip I'm going to give you right now. Make sure that you can preview their content. Now this seems obvious, right? But when I explore out there, sometimes, many times, there are ASL sign language courses out there. They promise you the sun, the moon, the stars, and the layout looks beautiful. It looks like there's tons of content, and there's either no intro video, or maybe there's an intro video, but guaranteed you don't see any of the course content. Well, it's like that speaking versus doing type thing. If I tell you all about things, but I don't actually let you preview the stuff, you can't make up it's more challenging to make up your own mind if what I have is good for you. So we have tons of content that you can preview. I mean, you can see our stuff on social media, on YouTube, whatever. If you like our social media stuff, you are going to love the stuff that we have in our ASL bundle, because it's just so much, and yeah, tons of stuff. Okay, take your time, whatever you choose, whether it's our courses, other people's courses out there, make sure you can preview the content. A big tip. Sounds so simple, but very important, because you're going to be investing more likely than not time, for sure. That's the most valuable. Money as well. Trying to fit it in your schedule. See if the teaching approach fits with your learning approach. Take your time. Make sure you can preview the content. Really important. Okay, Gina, thank you for including us in your sign language journey.